Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. Man, what a crazy move on COSM. You know, what can I say? It's disappointing. It sucks. It's unfortunate that I'm not here to trade this. And that was a personal decision here for me after the crazy lag. Some of you guys might not even remember about that lag after such a crazy move, but the broker issue today and everything and how it played out, I said, hey, you're not going to come back and touch this platform. Let's wait. Let's give it time till everything resets. And that's what I did. Came back later. Didn't turn on my computer. Didn't open up my screens. And I missed out on a beautiful, beautiful move, man. The last time this happened, we basically had that stock where it was not tradable. The chat was going crazy for like an hour, and then I didn't realize. It's like it feels like one of those situations. It's like I hate when there's like a excuse in a sense. Like I hate when there's something in the way. Because even when I'm doing other work and other things, I'm at least keeping my screens on, making sure I'm at least aware of what's moving and what the Discord is talking about. But I shut everything out. Like, hey, nope, the platform is buggy. Do not mess around. And it's like, man, in one way you can say it's being disciplined, right? Trying not to trade with platform issues. But it's like, man, for this to happen on this day, it's not okay, man. It's not cool. I definitely am gonna feel this one because the more of these you miss is it's like that distance that you continue to put in between where you are now and just profits. And this is just profits right here. I probably could have had another 3, 4, 5K day on this, man. Why? It starts cheap. It starts cheap. I think right here is where it really gets very clean. Over this trend line here of 520. So it get up there, it did a false breakout, but once it came back over and it broke, man, I think from here is where it got a little bit more clean. And it gave a nice move, pulled back, gave a nice move, pulled back, gave a nice move, and then started to surge up, man. Surge up, pulled back, surge, pull back, surge into the close. I did witness a little bit of this over here. Came back and saw some of this, saw a false halt over here. But, after missing the bulk of the move, I said, man, it's too late. The train has left the station. Your stock is at $17, $15. And so it's a bit disappointing to see, but, in terms of missing the move, it's disappointing. But to see this, it's actually really good. In terms of momentum, of course, this will make things really steamy next week, which is exactly what we want. We're mid-month right now, and the momentum is in full swing. So this is really good. We got to bring our A game next week. We will. And in terms of the lag, right? In terms of the lag, I came out of that trade with $200. I didn't sell until like 111. If you guys recall, I was selling at like 135, 138. So that was pretty bad. I was stuck in there for some time. I called in. They said, hey, there's not really much we can do. We have a broker issue, or let's say an internal issue. And it seemed like later they said it was a market maker issue. And that there's nothing that the customers could have done besides wait. And I said, okay. So right now, after speaking to them, after selling the position, they put in a ticket for me to get it reviewed, to then try and reimburse me. If they don't reimburse me, I will call back and then show them my video, and then hopefully I don't have any issues, because these people, sometimes they'll give you back your money, sometimes they will not. I will have lost $180 because of that, which is a lot. That's a lot. And not only that, the opportunity cost of not opening up my computer screen because I'm thinking I'm not going to touch anything else because the platform is laggy. This is an opportunity cost of now $4,185. Which is just, I think that's how much I could have made, 4 or 5 grand on this thing, man. It starts off cheap. yeah, man, it gives you the ability to go in with size early, get good trades, gain confidence, and so by the time the move is extended, you're already in the driver's seat to just do as you please. Man. Anyhows, I'm not gonna overtalk it, not gonna stress it. I did miss on this stock earlier. I did miss a resumption trade, by the way, which is worth mentioning. In the very first candle of the day, there was a dip and rip right here. And I don't know, you guys know, you got to be very attentive. You got to be very focused, very locked in, mentally, physically. And I wasn't ready for this trade here, it would seem, because the entry was there. I didn't take it. But guys, 5 minute recap. So as of right now, we're just up $200 in this day. Man, it just seems like sometimes you get a little unlucky, but that's how it goes. Gotta be grateful to still be green because, maybe I could have been down big in the lag. Maybe I could have took 10,000 shares and then the stock could have went down. I could have been down, who knows what, 3,000, and then they could have said, hey, you're not going to get reimbursed. So it could be worse, right? So we got to be grateful. But man, what a day, what a day. For those of you guys who did really well, congratulations. Also, let me know the P&Ls down below. Send some good encouragement over my way so that next week, I can feel a little bit healthy coming into the weekend, into the new week. Right now we're battling. Man. We're battling. But yeah, not to overtalk it. Have a great weekend, guys. Take it easy. Have some fun out there. Come back ready for next week, Monday morning. It's been RT, and I am, of course, signing out.